aspirants. So we are doing with the daily current affairs analysis in a very short and precise way. So this session will actually helpful you for in two aspects. One is for prelims, where we will give you the news that will be linked into the particular static part, that is particular subject part, which you can predict questions from that particular area. For mains, you can code this example in paper, in topic wise. That is the reason we are giving every news that is related to GS 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, to start with that, PSLV C56 to lift off with 7 satellites. This comes under GS3 Science and Tech. So about this PSLV C56, this is a polar satellite launch vehicle, and the mission is expected to lift off from the Satish Dhawan Space Center. This is a commercial mission, and this will be having a 7 payloads, and this will be located in this is an Earth observation satellite, which means it will give the prediction about the climate and other weather conditions, also completely to observe the Earth. For prelims, you need to study about the PSLV basics, which is an ISRO developed launch vehicle, launch system, and it is a medium lift launcher class, which means it cannot lift up to certain payloads. It has a range of orbits, like including geosynchronous transfer orbit, lower Earth orbit, polar sun synchronous orbit. And PSLV activities are managed from Sriharikota, that is located in India's east coast. PSLV has a 4-stage system. It is a combination of both solid and liquid fueled rocket stages. First stage is located at very bottom, and that is solid fuel. Second stage is liquid fuel, and third is solid fuel again, and fourth will be the propellant, liquid propellant stage. So in 2018, the question have been asked, like, with reference to India's satellite launch vehicle. So PSLV is a satellite useful for Earth resource monitoring, whereas GSLV designed to mainly launch communication satellite. That is a true statement. The next issue is commonly found cicada species sheds foreign tag to embrace Indian identity. So this comes under GS3 environment about cicada. The foreign cicada that is commonly found in several parts of South India, particularly in Western Ghats, that has an India's identity. The common site is in homesteads there. Gradually it is getting disappear, and it means that is an indicator of deteriorating quality of soil and vegetation. And this cicada is a hemipteran insects. They are known for loud, complex, and they will produce acoustic signals and songs. And they are also called true bugs. Their mouth parts used for piercing and sucking, and have 2 pairs of wings. Significant, they are mostly advantageous species and beneficial. They aerate the soil, and once they die, their body serves as an important source of nitrogen for growing trees. With their acoustic signal, they act as an indicator of healthy forest ecosystem. And it has a thread as like other species. By clearing the natural forest land into human settlement and agriculture field, along with burning of forest, is a main threat. And it is considered delicacy and features of good price, and capturing and killing during its mass emergence, that is also a threat for its survival. China even raises concern over India's only airport. So this comes under GS3 environment. About Hulu gibbon. Hulu gibbon, which is unique to India's northeast, is one of 20 species of gibbons. Hulu gibbon faces threat primarily from the felling of trees for infrastructure projects. And for prelims, you need to know about this gibbon species, which is the India's only app. The primitive is it is native to eastern Bangladesh, northeast India, and southwest China. and it is categorized into two types. One is western gibbon, that it inhabit in all states of northeast, restricted between south of the Brahmaputra river and east of the Dibang river. Eastern huluk, it inhabits in specific pocket of Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, and in southern China and northeast Myanmar, that is outside India. In India, both the species are listed in Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection Act 1972, and it is listed as vulnerable under IUCN Red List. Thank you.